Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of DB2SQL, which is cast. So cast function is mainly used to convert the data type from one data type to another data type. Okay. So for example, let's say if there is one column in your table which is storing the data in integer as an integer data, right? Now you wanted to fetch that data into your program but as a character. So in that case what you can do, you can utilize this cast function. So to understand it properly, let me show you the data first and then we will discuss how we are using it inside a SQL RPGD program. So here I am running one query. Select star from Sharmit1 slash table1, which is my library name. Sharmit1 is my library name and table1 is my table name. So here you can see there are multiple columns. For time being, just focus on this column. So if you check the data type for this column, I'm taking F4 here. You can see age is of integer type. So I want to fetch the data or from this column but as a character. But here you can see it is integer. So to achieve this, what we will do, we will use this cast function. So let me show you the program now. So as usual, firstly we are declaring this constant variable which is SQL state underscore valid 5 times zeros, and this constant we are going to use to verify whether the table is query is executed properly or not. Then we have one variable, result variable, which is of type character. So in this character variable we are going to store the retrieved data from the age column, okay, using the cast function. Then we are setting the commitment as commit equals to star none, and below to this we are running the main query which is exec SQL select cast. Now here the syntax is bit different. So far like we have got various functions, but it is bit different. Like here what we are doing, we have one column age column, so we are applying this cast function on age as varchar 5. So that integer column would be converted into this varchar 5 and it will be considered as varchar only. Okay, so this is the how you will write the syntax. Okay, and it is not mandatory that it always convert it to character. You can convert it to integer again, you can convert it to decimal, okay, as per your requirement. Then this converted value we are going to store into the host variable which is result, and this data is coming from Sharmit1 slash table1 and fetch first one row only, because for now we are just fetching the one row only. Okay, then we are checking for SQL state. If SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then display the result, else display the SQL state along with the error message query ended with an error and if inlar equals to star on. So let's quickly compile this program and call this. So you can see it is printing 35. So if I show you the data, so first row contains age as 35. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this cast function. Syntax is something that you need to focus on, like age cast parenthesis then column name as varchar 5. So let's say if you want to convert it to decimal, you will write here decimal then 5 comma 2, because in decimal we need to pass the second position also, right? So let me show you this over the normal query. If I return one of my used query, yeah, here you can see on normal DB2SQL query I'm running this as select cast age as varchar 5 from Sharmit1 slash table1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is converted as a character. Likewise, if you would like to convert it to decimal, so let me change it. So this time what I will do, I will make it as decimal with 2 comma 2, let's say 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Hit enter. Okay, let me check if yeah, this one we can use 5 comma 2, because I guess, yeah, so you can see it is converted to decimal now. So accordingly, like as per your requirement, you can convert your data to either type, like from integer to character or character to integer. It is up to you, like as per your requirement you can use this function, but overall purpose of using this cast function is to convert the one data type to another data type. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.